Hi, we're from Team T.O.A.S.T, First LEGO League Team 9441. For the Into Orbit season, we decided to work with Python, and we would like to show you how to use Python on an EV3 LEGO robot. A regular LEGO robot cannot read Python. To make a LEGO robot run Python code, you need a different operating system. We will use a version of Linux designed to run Python on EV3 robots. We will include a link with directions for how to set this up in the description. To test our Python skills, we programmed a robot to complete the escape velocity mission. Here's how the code looks in EV3. And here is how it looks in Python. First, we have to move the robot out of base. To do this, we use the move tank and time. Next, we drive until the robot detects the white line. For this, we use the light sensor and reflected light mode. The robot drives until the reflected light value is less than 50 and then stops. Next, we have to release the hammer. To release the hammer, we rotate the medium motor for 0.2 seconds. After a pause, the robot returns to base using move tank and time. Now watch Rudra run the escape velocity mission with our Python robot.